guys this fast on facts. Dr. Amakye, a political science lecturer at N0t or Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, guys, is of the view that Mr. Kennedy Agyapong is not knowledgeable enough to become the president of the Republic of Ghana. According to Mr. Amakye or Dr. Amakye of the Political Science Department, N0t, is saying Kennedy traditionally, emotionally, knowledgeably cannot be the president of the Republic of Ghana because in his point of view, Kennedy is not capable enough. And in his point of view, one more time, which university at all? Like, who is his classmate? The Fordham University, was he able to see himself through the school? Because according to the lecturer, if you go through school or if the school goes through you, we can tell from your utterances, from the kind of things you engage in, the people around you should be able to say that this person is educated. But what he is saying, traditionally, Kennedy is not qualified. Guys, have a listen for yourself. My goodness.
A straight win for Dr. Bibiaa. I'll be surprised if people in the MPP vote for Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong socially, traditionally, intellectually on your presidential material. And this must show. Ghanaians must demonstrate that we care about people who become our presidents. In the first place, poor countries. When you go into the literature of development, especially those that border on the development of poor countries, there's one key argument about leadership. And there's a short statement that leadership matters. And that political leaders in such countries should be knowledgeable, at least in economics. They should be knowledgeable generally and in economics. Minimum the last school I can Japan call it.
Fordham College, New York.
I mean, a friend is saying, as a student, a distance study program, or full time.
That I don't have that information. I just let me find it out.
Full time.
My name I don't know, honestly.
Openi, uko school. Nanim dear Raumwa. There's one thing having a certificate, and there's another thing, through your actions and inactions, demonstrating that some values, new values have been, placed in you. That's one thing. When you take the social traditional issues, tell to me a conductor in public the way you do, even in the last elections, the pronouncements, they are very unbecoming of a potential president. Very, very unbecoming of a potential president. You can engage a lady, a woman who might have hurt you in whatever way, openly in public, and use certain words. Words are traditionally, you do beko or hima fie, akobo charge. What I don't know who's over the idea. And on the basis of this, the party faithful should not vote for him. Nobody should tell us that he's going to be able to influence with money.
I'm with my boyfriend.
Etimu amose ya ton safre ene so usu bempa na abronye so wo no. Me wa ha say me respond to honorable Kennedy Agyapong propaganda or they say MPP. Me say MPP. Samunima fie ha metie no mon kan kire MPP. Ayi e wona me won say Kennedy Agyapong followers dodo na wo low key. Me te ha say propaganda modernam etia MPP to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and some more kind no. I am here to respond. Me matna say me say MPP. Na mom propaganda bia mobeye. Mobe cancel far as 2024 elections no. Enye no bia no. Me ba be expose mu. Enti se me expose mu sana. Eya mo hu ne se me attack mu. Na mom aningwase kan wa. Ufa ne se nipa ni didi watem. na eba ne seke na mo amo say ada na yemfre abronye no aka nsem afa Canada Japan nye MPP nye Canada Japan dia Canada Japan disciplinary committee cases here da honom no senka party ni implementing ni recommendation aba nka ko no ye ja me kwan kora ache se monima me no kasa ye wo report wa wo manye 2022 wo ma recommendation say as far back as 2022 one national council say enipa all ha MPP pa Canada Japan ye nyini free kuo no as far back as 2022 national executive yi away and so said that na mo wo low key adwene wo fam because mo ka sem fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho say I onya zero northern region man to aba e no man nye say na ma be gumo ni mase say mahama so nya zero polling stations bia je say abronye say ye campaign nti abronye so ye nton samframu di agro mo wa hana say mo say Bawumia is the problem nam say all the aspirants no obia wo constituency ofrim Honorable Black Campo we near Bitifi at the MPP. Adutum, we near Bosomke at the MPP. Kwabna Japon constituency Mampong. Or no so MPP we near. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Wale, or we near. Asem Central. I must say Honorable Canada Japan. Eye popular man na Ghana fo asufre no sa nya ne campaign fo na sa menim sa Asem Central nka Ghana ho an Ghana fo asufre Canada Japan Ghana fo asufre no ade na Asem Central fo de nsufre no ana Asem Central nka Ghana ho Asem fo nya Ghana fo mon ka mentie enti mo amokasa enti mo kan sem we nyina na me de mo abeto fom na ma expose mo say 5 aspirants ni nyina no obia wo constituency a o mo de abe support MPP Kennedy dear fine. Sir Kennedy Becker say, or 7,000 workers will be a human. Nama catch them say, Asem Central, MPP polling station executives, woman 700, but Omunia Jumaye. And almost say, I brought you the Kennedy Japan attempt, all because Kennedy campaign, Mashutu or Modan. Over catch them by me, I say, on farming S, Nama Baba catch or say. Samahama the 8 years and a 1 million votes. What you know yet calculation say, but Bawumia de 16 years about 2 million votes. And you're now massing Yajmo school ye wordy. And then try no class or school no our 400 university ye nadi. And the mention me ya analysis say 1996. Running to BT Kofua 1.3 million. Kofua the less than 18 months at the T votes and to find why and to Bawumia 18 months from 31st January not some people before you know pie akokotwa mana not say Bawumia 18 months and now 2 years here at the campaign up to 2028 here find why means Bawumia will be declared as a president on 9 December 2029 say amen. And the other Yano, and on the Yamo must say, Abronya Dimata, men say MPP how. Namum, every propaganda be honorable Canada Japan crop for by ye, and now as far as to be back cano, Mebaha Abe Esposumu, now Ramu with Diamu, at Senya Yadim Kosruisa, and Yakakadra Samono. Because platform where we have said, and some phony propaganda moyano, my hitimono one in free muyam. Platform no. It is a munya kwanin propaganda near track. Wo abwa papo. Wo mena me train you. Wo I train you. Unyo bia bikwa wo sa wo ba be kwa radio a. Ye mouth topics ya me phone ye dantini. Me what me send them topics. No I catch them me say. Ya mouth topics we ma wo. Me ma wo eniema wo kwa wo beka na ma type di asendo. You are nobody. And you can't deny what I'm saying. So me boa. So microphone, esi wanim. So what boa papo be call radio so. You call me. Say oh topics we number discuss. Now the topics not sending me my bronye. Na ma type di asende. So we respond to say, ukwa you we say, ukwa you we say. I've been doing that for you for years. And today now nim. Now, Baba Jina say, if MPP dare me, you can't do foco. MPP no way and frama, wouldn't wait to MPP because wow, this once, you know, more lessons, Cradiana Nyai. And to Jassa microphone now also if MPP dare me, MPP dare who ye. Shut up. And to fry na what the nam say, I bring a seven kangaroo committee biano, me issue any statement. Men carry, and I made the rejoinder crab by Moana Moquatres Adiano, a year honorable Kennedy Agyapong Crawford. And the court say, Meme Simin call any kangaroo committee bia. A yamo, Kennedy Agyapong Crawford and a court Adiano, a DDD national executive attempt. Some Meme say, Min call Kennedy a kangaroo committee bia. The moment as I let any buy and a Kennedy Agyapong Crawford, Monanamo share or platform so. Sa KG1 politics in Yabatwa Babiano, Namugusuti KG1 politics in Nanu Nebegu Monumasi. Sir Kennedy or back Kennedy Japan in our war, ever case MPP for and Quasiafua. Now we bought video no na man for her. Now Feda Mukoko Pai. In the coming years, you know, I saw for Kennedy Japan do a matter in a videos in our me and me as a member, but say me Baba Bo Abwa Papunti. And some Kennedy Japan can't yet. If I suffer for who now Kroma, me as some coming more. But I bought Papunti, me bought a video in Yinamo Biati, Ewo Kroma, Neyahe. Namia Doma Monday, some videos in a Mebaba Bo, Kona Kennedy Japan, the Asofu for Faswo, or Kaso Begu 1 man churches. 1 man churches will be Gunu, me born in our Kroma, Neyahe who is who, Abwa Papu, Unti. Na. Yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eko PMO Eastern Region. Na oko PMO no MPC ye 23, emu 15 a declare support, total support, unflinching support at the Amayewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia anyame ya adoma 31st January. MPP polling station executives said they won't change their tradition, but the status quo no won't be maintained no at the Amana Yewura Adianim from 2026 to 2028. Say exercise wait to me Bama a Tressa Yewura Bawumia 23 months to campaign and win the 2024 election. 23 months. Over 23 months to campaign and win the 2024 elections. Santi se we nyina yede ba no. Ye no binu mo attack yese mu bekunye because ye na ne ye support to say ye nkoto sa ba no. Enso mo ye mo ka se masoda enye ye mo ntiase ene ka ye bekum nyina abaso a ye ko. Enti dede amotena WhatsApp so top down no de ene ka de se mo kuye nyina top down na e ba so yi. Mo amosi kamu be wunu mo gusu ti WhatsApp platform so kasa enti mo be kasa mo be sete rigging yi se obi pese owiam he ba omian kwa abato owiam da ono kro mpesa ade no o pese polling station executives no pie ebeto abama no na omoto so ono eba wene enti mo be tena WhatsApp so amote WhatsApp so nyina mo ye dede ma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong nyina no me ka kira mo say 89% of Mamote WhatsApp platforms on Facebook Abana Muntubi. Abana Muntubi. Mamote WhatsApp platforms for Muya propaganda. Yade 300 ascend them or Muya de Denu. Abana Muntubi. Etimumiamano. Antiyawura Bawumia PMO Eastern Region. Ampis, I was 15 so much declaman. This is not the first time Asadi and I had an SCA. Omampanyini Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ni main contender in 2014 no free Asante region. And so MPCI wa Asante region. And to Muamunima Kennedy Crawford no and running nedie mu bleedy and as I MPC ni die ye bet two mo e dro mo dia ye bet wa wote WhatsApp platform so no Senya Kennedy na basando 300 Ghana se jito bibidia. Wo ni ho enti ayada wo no kwakotu MPB a wo declare support the Amabaomia. Wo no what WhatsApp platforms ni obedi aden. E de sa okokun Kennedy ntokwa na ya send 200 se dididi. Wo to say abano so no polling station abona wo so betu sa MP no. Wa wo ka se wo betu sa MP no wa ba no ntobi. Untubi. Until the Kwamba na abafa ubetu ampina wa declare support the ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Aya kika kwa upasa o kan bibi wa WhatsApp platform so any Facebook ama Kennedy hun say wo ye Bibiaa ma no na o de kakra to mu ama de adidi enu ni ma adidi be ye odene adidi be ye odene pa ntino wo ye bi kwa aba no eduru MPC abato na wa wo kan me amemetie abona ye be ye no me na me ye ho adwuma abona wo bono region no eduru say ye kwa polling station abona me na me ye ho adwuma enti wa wo te WhatsApp platform so aso kope MPB atunu ebeduru na adin nim because won to bi me say won to bi woni samu pass aboni nso abano won to bi because me nya sore ne me nya ti free na ye mfa homa ntwe akire edese me kwa koduru ba bia se me ka kire car no me ye apostle Joseph me ka break nim nti car ne kwa me de me sabo car no mu ana car na nkasa gina me nye break ntum nti me ka se won to bia polling station one me make sure say it's a matter of phone call na me nipa sumasi mon kra na free system no me no wawie anti mun nyai dede no. This is not the first time an MPC Biashia I declare support to the Ama presidential candidate. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo oni Alan Tremantin. 2014, MPs in Asante region I declare support for Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. A producer for publication in Toso. And that's what that be way for Bakuna. I remember way so. First one, 2014, MPs in Asante region I declare support for Sampa Union publication in Brano. Asante region. MPs in Asante region declare support for Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Evidence here then. Our producer Fabra. Anyway, producer anyway, Uda Mamemfa we in Asem. Where a greater Accra, where Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo na ni page. 29th August 2014. Or see 34 regional chairmen. MPs in the greater Accra region. Women United declare support. Nanado na nkasa ko postu ye on the Facebook page. And then that